Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the tail indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the tail indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 841 indicators, with 344 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 47 of the winning indicators. 15 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the tail indicator, and so you can see it here on screen. It did make a slight modification to the settings here, and again just the visual aspect of it. And so I went in and I changed the color 0 and bumped up the opacity, I think, to say 30. We could probably use 20, just making those colors just pop out just a tad bit more, a little bit easier to see when they are on screen. And so in the original testing, this did over 10 trades within the 1 year's time, and so we were able to keep it on the daily time frame. I think originally it did somewhere around right at the 60%, if I remember right. The way we tested this in the original video was pretty simple. When we got this coloration in the background, we would go either long or short. And so when we would get the red coloration, that is a signal to go short. When we got the green coloration, that is a signal to go long. It's pretty simple setup. You can see that basically this indicator is a channel indicator. It's a little challenging to see, but you can see the channel here. We have a green upper band, a red lower band, a blue middle band there, and then you can see that we have a faster probably moving average that is making its way out through the top or down through the bottom of that channel, and as it does, it is then giving us this background coloration that we're looking for here. And so for example, when we get a short like right here, so you can see that price action kind of spikes up there, rides its way down through that channel, comes down, and then pops out the bottom right here. That would be a signal to go short right there. We get about 68 pips out of this, just barely missing our take profit on that particular trade. Looks like it pulls back enough to hit our stop. It does, and then we would have picked up another short over here on this side, as again it breaks back into the channel and comes back out to the downside here on that one. Looks like this one did get us to our take profit. Yep, that one right there would have gotten us to our take profit. Then on the long side, you can see as the price action and that moving average makes its way through the channel and pops out to the upside, we pick up the green background coloration there, which is a signal to go long. We get a nice push to the upside that would have gotten us to our take profit right there, and so on. You can see we get a short trade here, we get a long trade there, and on and on. And so that's how we tested it in the original video, and that's how we tested it again here in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test, so that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing. All right, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations of most of the channel here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an awesome Forex prop trader, one of our members here. He is often putting up charts like this, where he is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of wedges, channels, different chart patterns for everyone to pay attention to. Like I said, he does this on a regular basis, doing market analysis of the Forex market. Really, really great, knowledgeable stuff. He's very, very knowledgeable in Forex trading and trading price action. He'll often post really cool, knowledgeable information and thought experiments and so on. Some of our other members are also posting the different trades and stuff that they are entering into. Some of them are posting the different trades, as well as some of them are posting some of the profits that they've gained, just kind of documenting their progress as a trader as they're growing and learning and becoming more efficient all around. One of our newest admins here is Mike from Upright Trading. Really, really awesome guy, really helping everybody out on indicators. He has quite a few indicators that he has developed himself. Some are free, some are paid. All of them are really cool indicators. He will go above and beyond to help people out with indicators in general, but mainly with his indicators, showing people how to use them, strategies around them, and he often is going through the indicators and developing them, improving them, upgrading them, and stuff like that. And so developing new strategies and really increasing the potential for his different indicators. It's really, really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out and coaching everybody along, helping everybody grow. Highly recommend that you join. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what this is able to achieve. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, just that way it's a little bit easier to see what we're doing here. All right, so we got the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 29 winning trades. We got 21 losing trades, putting us at a 58% win rate. That barely misses that 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, it held up pretty well. Like I said, I believe in the original testing, it did 60% in the 1 year of testing. And so often what we see is that with these advanced tests, we get a pretty significant drop in the win rate of the advanced test in the moving the indicator, excuse me. And so this one, since it didn't drop very drastically at all, feel like it held up pretty well all in all. I do believe though that it does have a few issues. I think it's a little fast. It seems to be catching every kind of small move in the price action. Sometimes that's good, sometimes that's bad. I imagine though that if you use this with maybe some support and resistance or something around something along those lines, maybe this would do a lot better. Definitely bump up the win rate a little bit, but unfortunately, since it does only hit the 58%, doesn't meet the 60%, isn't able to hold up to that 60% win rate, it's going to have to go on the no list. I do like the fact that it is one of those channel style indicators that does kind of help to filter out the bad trades and the good trades, or at least separate with some degree the longs from the shorts, as we've discussed a few times before. It does seem though that the band is just a little too narrow, and it isn't giving much room. I mean, most of the time, one or two candles kind of split through that channel pretty easily, and so it's a little too tight in my opinion. Causes it to take a lot of these trades. But anyways, like I said, it's going to go on the no list now, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.